The HP Series 5 Pro. Imagine having a single screen that shows all your projects in vivid detail. No more multitasking headaches, no more blurred vision. The HP Series 5 Pro delivers exactly that with its ultra-wide 34-inch curved WQHD display, featuring 3440 by 1440 resolution and a staggering 4000:1 contrast ratio. This isn't just about seeing the screen. It's about experiencing an immersive workspace that lets you focus on what matters. This is more than just a monitor, it's your productivity sidekick. And with its sleek design, featuring 3-way adjustability plus ergonomic setup guide for optimal comfort, you'll be able to work in style and stay focused all day long. But the HP Series 5 Pro isn't just about aesthetics. It's also designed to help you perform at your best. That's why it comes equipped with advanced features like Polystudio 5MP pop-up tiltable webcam and AI noise reduction mics, ensuring you look and sound professional on any call. The built-in HP IE's technology takes this a step further by reducing blue light output while maintaining true-to-life color accuracy. No more eye strain or dullness. And when it comes to audio, the 4x3W downfiring speakers deliver crisp, clear sound that lets you concentrate without distractions. But here's the best part. With the HP Series 5 Pro, you're not just getting a monitor. You're also getting a powerful data hub thanks to the included DockStorm dock. With a data sync rate of up to 5 gigabits per second, this dock allows for lightning-fast data transfer and syncing on the go. The HP Series 5 Pro is more than just a product. It's your ultimate productivity solution. Say goodbye to cluttered workspaces and hello to a seamless, distraction-free experience that lets you focus on what matters most. Let me break down some of the standout specs that make this monitor truly exceptional. First up, we have its ultra-wide 34-inch curved display, featuring an impressive 1500R curvature. What does this mean for you? It means you can view your screen from any angle without sacrificing clarity or comfort. Plus, with a response time of just 5 milliseconds, GTG, you'll enjoy smooth motion and minimal ghosting. Next, we have the Polystudio 5MP pop-up tiltable webcam. This isn't just any webcam. It's an AI noise reduction mic that limits distractions and lets you focus on your call. And with its sleek design, it pops down seamlessly when you're done, giving you total control over your video conferencing experience. The audio quality is also noteworthy, thanks to the 4x3W downfiring speakers. These deliver crisp, clear sound that lets you concentrate without distractions, perfect for long video calls or focused work sessions. Another feature worth highlighting is HP IE's, which reduces blue light output while maintaining true-to-life color accuracy. This means less eye strain and more comfort during extended use. Finally, let's talk about the included DockStorm dock. With a data sync rate of up to 5 gigabits per second, this dock lets you transfer files at lightning-fast speeds, perfect for remote teams or on-the-go professionals. In short, the HP Series 5 Pro is an unbeatable combination of form and function. Whether you're a freelancer, entrepreneur, or corporate professional, this monitor has everything you need to stay productive, focused, and connected. So what are you waiting for? Get your hands on the HP Series 5 Pro today and experience the ultimate in productivity and connection.